Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Nissan Maxima cabin air filter. First, open your glove box and remove everything inside. Next, carefully detach the dampener arm located on the right side. Then, gently press inward on the two tabs at the top of the glove box to release it. This allows the glove box to swing down, giving you access to the filter housing. It's a straightforward process. With the glove box lowered, you'll see the cabin air filter housing. There's a small cover that needs to be unclipped. Usually, it has two clips. Once the cover is off, carefully slide out the old filter. Take a moment to observe the direction of the airflow arrow on the old filter. This is crucial for installing the new one correctly, ensuring proper air circulation. Now, take your new cabin air filter and ensure the airflow arrow points in the same direction as the old one. Slide the new filter into the housing. Once it's in place, reattach the filter housing cover, making sure both clips snap securely. Finally, lift the glove box back into position and reattach the dampener arm on the right side. Give it a gentle push to ensure it's fully closed. Double-check that your glove box opens and closes smoothly. You've successfully replaced your cabin air filter. For optimal air quality, it's recommended to replace your filter every 15,000 miles or at least once a year, especially if you drive in dusty conditions. This simple maintenance task significantly improves your vehicle's interior air. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.